riding to try to go see the compressor station here in Burrilville, Rhode Island. We just left our community partner Kathy's house. Her property is about half a mile away from the compressor station. Yeah, there's a road called Algonquin Lane that turns off from this main road, which is State Road 100 or Wallam Lake Road. And Algonquin is also the technical name of the pipeline that starts in the New York-New Jersey border, goes through Connecticut, through Rhode Island, and ends up in Massachusetts. We're following the route of the pipeline, starting here, working our way through a little bit of like the Metro West area and like Waltham and West Roxbury, where they're proposing to build a lateral to the pipeline. So about 5 miles of the pipeline goes through Rhode Island, and this compressor station increases the pressure of the gas passing through so that the gas can travel faster and that more can fit in. Compressor stations are really noisy. You can hear it, especially at night. From Kathy's property, she has 8 acres of land. She's about half a mile away from the compressor station, and it's really loud. And compressor stations also have other problems, including like blowing off methane. They release formaldehyde and benzene, all bad things. So right now, sorry about that, just had to make the turn. We are on Algonquin Lane towards the compressor station. We're not sure how far back it is or what it looks like in here, but it's a road and we are traveling down it, or technically up it, because it looks a little uphill, like most things here. So far it's just a nicely paved, pretty forested path with lots of pretty street lights. I'm sure you can hear the compressor station at this point. There it is. She is a loud one, and this is probably the quietest time of day for the compressor station because the noise is primarily made at night and in the winter time. We have made it out alive. It looks like we're going a little bit farther down Algonquin Lane. As I said, the compressor station is right to our right. I wouldn't be surprised if the camera is picking up the atrocious noise it's making. But just coming to check out what's further up here. Algonquin gas transmission. The likelihood of an emergency is pretty high, so everyone should keep this number on their speed dial. Danger.
You got all the signs?
Yeah. Everyone's marveling at the intensity of the compressor station. And then this is probably not the end of the property, but the end of the property abuts a state management area with some, protected forests and things like that. Certain amounts of these trees will be cut down for construction purposes because about 16.5 acres is needed for the expansion for construction. Yeah.